I welcome myself to this guided meditation journey for healing. Lie down comfortably and gently close your eyes. Place your hands on your sides, palms upwards. Today, you will experience deep healing with Mother Nature. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Now allow the healing to begin. Visualize that you're lying on your back on a beach peacefully. There is sand beneath you. You can feel the grains of the sand. It feels like a soft cushion, making you feel so easy and comfortable. The entire weight of your body is resting on sand, and you just let go of the control of holding back your body. You completely relax. You just let yourself be in this moment, here and now. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Visualize the sun shining brightly up in the sky. You are basking in the sun, soaking the mild sunlight. You feel the warmth of the sun, just enough, just perfect. This makes you even more relaxed. As you soak in the sun's warmth, you feel all the stress, all the tension melting and dissolving in the air. You feel more power and courage and abundance. You feel your heart filling with love, and this love growing as you inhale. You feel lighter now. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Visualize the gentle waves of the sea making their way towards you. These waves make the sand below your feet, your body, moist and warm. They softly touch your feet and return, taking away all the anxiety and worries and fear. You feel the coolness of water, just right, just perfect. As the waves retreat, you let go of any pain, any discomfort you're feeling. You feel your heart filling with love and love growing as you inhale. Take a deep breath in, exhale slowly. Visualize the birds chirping on a tree. Their sound is music to your ears. Right tune, just perfect. It soothes you, it calms you, it melts your heart as you experience the beauty of nature. It has been a while you have been so close to nature. The chirping of the birds fill you with enthusiasm and life. The life that is lost in the hush rush of routine. You feel your heart filling with love and this love growing as you inhale. You feel lighter. Take a deep breath in, exhale slowly. Visualize greenery all around with trees gently swaying. There is soft breeze blowing, softly touching your face, your skin, your hair, soothing you. You feel the calmness of the air all around, the stillness, the quietness, the calmness, the coolness fills you with patience. You feel grounded. You feel like coming home. You feel nourished. You feel contentment. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Feel the gratitude for the beautiful gifts of nature available in abundance for you and everyone. Realize that the most beautiful things on this earth are available for free and in plenty. Slowly get up and sit comfortably. Now gently open your eyes.